Hey guys, so today's a contact lens try on, okay, by Ttdeye. If you guys are new, my name is TJ. What's good? What's up? Don't forget to subscribe. So we're just going to jump right into the video, okay? So this is my packaging, what I received. I have about 7 to 8 lenses I'm trying on for you guys today, okay? So this is the packaging. You do get a contact lenses case to carry your lenses around in, and you also get the lens case, of course, and the applicators. Now these applicators are cool because it helps you put in and take out your contact lenses. Inside of each packaging, you will get 2 individually secured lenses. They will be in its own packaging, secured in their solution. Anyway, I use the Equate Moisture Last multi-purpose solution to store my contacts in after use. I've been using this stuff since I was about 13, 14 when I started wearing contacts, and it's never failed me, y'all. I love it. All right, guys, so this is not a tutorial. If you guys want a tutorial or a step-by-step of how I put this in, I'm gonna link a video down below and you guys can check that out. Also, please do be sure your hands are clean before you start this. Y'all know Miss Rona is still out there, so make sure your hands are clean. And yeah. Also, another note, your contacts will look differently depending on your lighting situation. Also, if you are wearing if you're wearing false lashes or not, I just wanted to throw that disclaimer in there because I know you can watch tons of videos and they all look different, but it actually depends on that. Also another factor is your natural color eye as well. All right, so we're gonna get started with the first pair, and this is the EU or Euramerican green gray. These are super duper pretty. I love these contacts, y'all. These were one of my faves, okay? One of my faves. I love it. It looks super natural. And I do different camera angles just so you guys can see what it looks like up close and what it looks like far away. Next, we have the Spanish pink. These really make my natural color eyes pop. I feel like it just gives my natural color eye like a hint of color, and I love it. It's super natural. It's not doing too much in my personal opinion. It's like a color I could go out the house and wear every day. Yeah, look how pretty that is, you know. And that's what I love about Ttdeye as well, because they don't look fake. They look very much realistic in any type of lighting situation, okay? And that's just my personal opinion, but this is why I gravitate towards them over any other company. Okay, these next ones are the Polar Lights Yellow Green, okay? These are different for me, okay? They're different, okay? I still like them. Okay, so the next pair is the Juicy Gray Colored Eyes. These definitely are doing something different for me, okay? It's like they have a hint of mystery. It's definitely warm in the center of the eye, but I feel like this is what makes the contacts very unique, different. It's something different, but I love them. Also, if you guys are wondering how the contacts feel like, since I've been wearing contacts so long, I don't feel them. I never felt, well, I felt them on my eye when I first started wearing contacts, but the more you get used to it, the more it's like, what? They're there, you know? These next pair are the Polar Lights Brown. They're similar to the other, what was the other color called? Polar Lights Yellow Green. Very similar, have a more of a brown tone. These remind me of ochre. I forgot which contact brand. Solidica ochre. These are definitely a replica for them, but in my personal opinion, they just look a little bit more natural. These are the Euramerican Green Gray, okay? If you guys are scared of color, I definitely would recommend the Euramerican series because I feel like they give you a pop of color but not too much, and it's just very, very subtle. I feel like these were another one of my faves. They look very, very good against my skin tone, and I'm just here for it. These next ones are my favorite. The Iris Brown Green 2 color contacts, y'all. These, I'm like, these are going to be my everyday contacts. Y'all about to see me in every video with these on. I need to go back and order me another pair. And that's what I'm going to do before I put this video out because I know if I like them, y'all going to like them too. Like, this color just really does something and complements my skin. Like, I'm just obsessed with this color. It's definitely unique. It's just super duper pretty. I'm here for it. I'm just here. Now these last ones, ice pink. Okay. They a little different. They're different. Like I feel like these would definitely be good for like Halloween. Like if I was doing um a Halloween type of look. I feel like these would go. I feel like they're doing a little bit of clashing. I don't know. But I feel like they're on the more Halloween vibes. But this was it for my contact lens hauls. I really hope you guys enjoyed. All the contacts I've worn will be in the description section below. And until next time, you give us. See you later. Bye, guys.